If you're looking to change your wallpaper on a Windows PC, here's an easy guide on how to do it. Built in Windows Wallpaper, right-click on an empty area of your desktop. From the context menu that appears, select Personalize. In the Personalization Settings window, click on Background from the menu on the left-hand side. Under the Background drop-down menu, you have several options including Picture, Solid Color, or Slideshow. If you're looking to use one of the Windows inbuilt wallpapers, select Picture. Click on the image you prefer to set as your wallpaper. Downloading and applying a custom wallpaper. Search online for the wallpaper you wish to use. Ensure the image is of high resolution to look good on your screen. Once you've found the right image, download it to your computer, remembering the folder where it's saved. Follow the steps above to access the background settings in the Personalization menu. Instead of selecting one of the displayed images, click on Browse. Navigate to where your downloaded image is saved, select it and press Choose Picture to set it as your wallpaper. Or you can simply right-click on the wallpaper and select Set as Desktop Background. If this video was helpful, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really helps us out.